Is your 2005-2010 Chevy Cobalt key fob struggling to lock, unlock doors, or pop the trunk? A weak or dead CR2032 battery is likely the culprit. Replacing it yourself is a quick, easy, and cost-effective DIY fix. Avoid expensive dealer fees and restore your remote's functionality with this simple guide. This video covers how to safely and correctly replace your Cobalt's key fob battery. The 2005-2010 Chevy Cobalt key fob uses a standard 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin battery. This is a widely available battery type you can find at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Ensure you purchase a genuine or high-quality equivalent for optimal performance and longevity. Avoid generic, unbranded batteries, as they may have contact issues. A new CR2032 battery should cost under $10. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery with the positive side up before removing it, as this is crucial for proper reinstallation. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. The battery should snap securely into place. Align the two halves of the key fob case, ensuring the edges match up properly. Gently snap the halves back together, applying even pressure to both sides. Ensure the case is fully closed, with no visible gaps around the edges. Test the fob's functions by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. In some cases, replacing the battery may require you to reprogram the key fob to your vehicle. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, try this. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine, and press the lock button on the fob repeatedly. Refer to your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions, as they can vary slightly. Proper battery disposal helps the environment. Always take old CR2032 batteries to recycling centers. Key fob technology is advancing. Newer vehicles use NFC for wireless power transfer, as shown in this schematic. Bluetooth integration allows for smartphone diagnostics and enhanced connectivity. While your Cobalt's fob is straightforward, regular maintenance ensures it works reliably. Aftermarket smart fob kits can upgrade your Cobalt, but check compatibility with model identifiers. Test your fob's range regularly. Replace the battery every 2 to 5 years for optimal performance.